Alright, today I'm going to be doing a unboxing and review of the OEDRO floor mats. They're going on my 2018 FX4 F150. Alright, so end open, pull them out. What we got? What's in the box? We got that would be one. That'd be the passenger. Here's the driver. So, and I already tell, pretty nice and thick. Got some flex to them, which is probably pretty nice. I'm not owned WeatherTech, but my parents have them in their MKX. From what I can tell, these are just as good a quality, honestly. All right, let's go put this bad boy in. You got the Sport Special Edition. They match up really nicely with the seats. Pop those in. There you go. Nice coverage all the way out to the sill. Over. Uses the original mounting hardware. Really nice. Oh, let's go put the passenger in. Mom, oh, you're gonna go right there? Mm-hmm. Alright. No clips on this side, even from the factory, so this one's just gonna be a drop-in. Nice fitment. Should be good to go.
I like it because the weather tights don't have that overlap.
There you go. These are even better than WeatherTech's. That's straight from my mom, who's got them in her vehicle, but I'm glad I went with these. You got a nice coverage. I would definitely recommend them to a friend. I'm gonna give it 5 stars on Amazon. And you can't beat the price. They're cheaper than WeatherTech, so there you go. All right. Thank you very much. I will, if you have any questions, just email me or get me on Amazon. Thank you.